In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can access Bookmark on Google Chrome on PC or desktop. So let's get started. Alright, so as you can see, the Google Chrome is already opening here. It's already open, and the first you want to actually, in order to actually the access Bookmark, you can first go to the three dotted icon and check for Bookmark, then come down to Bookmark Manager and click for Control Shift O. Okay, so this is a shortcut. So you can do it manually, or you can do it Control Shift O, and you can see that bookmark directly. It's a very beautiful thing. I mean, a lot of the time you actually saving the bookmarks and you want to access the bookmark again and again to see what's you actually bookmarking, because there's a lot of AI sites happening on the internet, and you want to bookmark those in order to also open in the future. And once you see that something is not working, you can also delete them. So this is from Bookmark bar, and this is all the things that is bookmarked in the other section, and it is categorized by mobile. So most of the things, as you can see, I have bookmarked from the mobile, and this is the complete list. See you.